Hi guys, it's Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Monday and Wednesday. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect bag. If you're like me, subscribe, hit the notification bell and let's enjoy bags together. I've just released the video unboxing one of the hottest bags of 2024 and it's ALAIA Teckel bag in the small size in a beautiful red color. Today I want to share with you my first impressions, kind of review of this bag. I also want to show you what fits inside because the size of the bag is really small and the shape is quite unusual, and I'm going to show you how the bag looks on me in a mod shot section of this video. French brand ALAIA released this bag just a few months ago, but it's already sold out pretty much everywhere. Very sought after bag. It comes in a very unusual shape. When my husband saw this bag at the very first time, he told me, "You paid the full price for the bag, but you actually got half of the bag." It looks to him that someone actually cut the half of the bag. And yes, we are got used to these east-west bags, but usually they come with a shorter top handles. Here we are dealing with a very long shoulder straps and a very short main body of the bag. They complement each other by exaggerating each other's features. Yeah, the short part of the bag makes the longer straps looks bigger and the opposite way around. The name of the bag, Le Teckel, translates from French as a dachshund or a sausage dog. And yes, if I switched on my imagination, I can totally see the sausage dog resemblance in this bag. At the moment, bags comes in two sizes, small or the medium regular size, and there are also different colors. I absolutely love, along with the red one, I love the sky blue color, which a small size comes in, and regular black and the beige color as well. Bag has many tiny little details which I want to show you today, and I want to talk about them too. And we will start with this beautiful long shoulder straps. Surprisingly, they are thin, but they are sitting really comfortably on your shoulder. I think the main reason for that the size of the bag is so small that you wouldn't be able to put any heavy items in that. But we're going to look into the capacity of the bag more carefully at the end of the video in the what fits test section. Then on the shoulders, we have this tiny little mechanism type of thing, which allows us to keep the shoulder straps together. However, please pay attention. It's not attached to the shoulder straps at all, therefore it's really easy to lose them. But I really like these teeny weeny details. I've already seen these details on quite a few bags recently. For example, Mulberry Soft Base Water and also Prada, like a buckle bag, one of their vintage versions there. And then on the back, we have a tiny little tag with a ALAIA silver embossing there. It doesn't have any functionality at all, and actually you can easily remove that tiny little tag if you wish. Some people, they don't like those teeny weeny details, the simpler the better. Me, for example, I usually remove all these teeny weeny little things if I can remove them, the tags. Yes. And you know what, this big trend just now when people accessorize, customize their bags to the max, you know, this exaggerated way. I love to see this trend on other people, but I don't do that myself. I don't know why, but yeah, I would remove that tag, to be honest with you, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to put it back on so you just know that it's there. Then on the actual middle of the bag, we have a matching silver embossing ALAIA Paris there as well. At the bottom, we don't have any feet, but we have that two pieces of the goatskin leather coming together, protecting the bottom of the bag. I need to say that all the parts of the bag are piped in the matching glazing. Therefore, it just adds the durability and resistance to wear and tear in relation to the all corners and sticking out parts. Bag has a zipper closure, and here we have a double zipper. And as you can see, this tiny little tags on the zipper matching our rhombus shape of the bag tag too. let's open that and have a look inside. What do we have in the bag? And while I'm opening that, I just want to tell you our sad story about this bag and why I'm still having this tag so I can remove the bag. I love the bag. I won the bag. However, and it's happening to me, I think, second time this year when the bag, what I purchased directly from the website, comes not in the perfect condition. And here, I'm not sure if you're going to see that, but here we have a little bit of glue or a wax on the skin of the bag. And because this glue or wax already got into the tiny little stitching holes on the bag, I cannot remove them at all. And it's at least an inch of the bag surface is covered in that glue or wax. My first suggestion was that it's a wax coming from the zipper because it was tiny little bit stiff, like on the stiffer side, but I couldn't find it anywhere on the zipper, but I can just see that on the actual leather, and then I found that on the tags as well. Teeny weeny tiny little pieces. That's why I suggested maybe it's a glue then. I've already contacted ALAIA because I purchased the bag directly from their website, and I'm going to exchange this bag for the same one in the red color. It's still in stock as they told me, but I just need to hurry up to make this video, to share this with you, and then just exchange the bag. So please forgive me for this tag being in this video and in your face. Let's have a look inside the bag. What do we have here? And inside the bag, we have a micro suede lining. It's in the beige color, as you can see. Yes, it will be quite hard to look after that. All scratches are going to be visible there, but I'm just using usually the dry cloth with my micro suede lining just to clean it up. And yes, of course, as always, you need to be aware of any pen and pencils inside the bag. The scratches from them will be immediately visible in there. And apart from that, there is nothing. We just have a tiny little pocket there, and here another tiny little details from ALAIA brand, and it's a mirror with a rhombus matching tag as well. And actually when I saw that pocket, I thought this pocket, you know, our usual card slot, but no, in this case it's a tiny little pocket for your ALAIA mirror. And ALAIA mirror has engraving ALAIA Paris on the side there as well, so it goes there perfectly, and you can just pull that using that tag like this. I love this idea. Something unique, you know, from the luxury brand, something to stand out from any other luxury brands too. The only one tiny little complaint I have here in relation to that mirror, that is, you can see it's sitting pretty high and close to the zipper. So to zip the bag, you need to make sure that it's not on the way, because it easily could be on the way of the zipper. So you can just make sure that it's tucked in there carefully. I hope you can see that on the video, and then we can zip it up. And using a double zipper. As I mentioned, the zipper a little bit stiff, and you do need to use the both hands to open and close the bag. And I already try to use that, you know, just to make a final decision. Do I want to return that completely, or do I want to exchange that for the same bag but without any wax or glue on it? And I was trying to open it and close that, and yes, you can't do that on the go. You need to stop, you need to focus, you need to use both hands for that to open it up. And then due to that, yes, the opening is quite long, as you can see, but it's not wide at all, and I believe you do need to use your both hands to get in there to grab any of your stuff. ALAIA Teckel bag is made of the goatskin leather. I've seen more and more brands recently using goatskin leather for their luxury goods and especially bags, which is totally understandable. It allows the brands to keep their bags at the reasonable price tag because goatskin leather is cheaper than the calfskin leather. And at the same time, it's very resistant to any scratches, marks and the stains. I've already mentioned that the bag is, all the pieces of leather are piped, which added on to the durability of the bag overall. Also, the goatskin leather is quite thick. It keeps your bag in the perfect shape and the structure shaped for a long time. It adds a little bit to the weight of the bag because the leather is thicker. Overall weight of the Teckel bag in the small size is almost 415 grams. It's still on the lighter side because the bag is so tiny, but yes, if we were talking about the bigger bag, obviously in the goatskin leather it would be heavier. And now it's time for a what fits test for ALAIA Teckel bag in the small size. Due to this unusual shape and the very small size, the capacity might be very limited, or that could be deceiving and the bag might surprise us with a great capacity. Let's find out that with a combo of my essentials. And first of all, I just want to show you that you need to use both hands to open the bag and close that as well. And I think now when we have a close-up, you might see that wax or glue situation that I've been mentioning before. And you can see that it went straight into the stitching holes, and that's the reason why I'm exchanging the bag and not removing a return tag for just now. So please excuse me for that. And we will start with my absolutely essential number one, and it's my large iPhone, 16 centimeters long. You can just lie it in there. It should stay vertically. And yes, I'm keeping the mirror inside the mirror or a card slot, wherever you call it. So phone goes vertically. And then we need to use a little bit of organizational skills due to this unusual design and a small size. But I will try to get in some glasses. Sunglasses we have there. Let's got it in. Perfect. Then we're going for the card holder. We have a quite a chunky one, and I'm just using the card holder that I'm in use at the moment for me. Here we go. Everything goes in there. And then we are going for the set of keys. As you can see, that's quite a large set of keys there. Placing it on top. Just checking out how we are getting on there. But I think we will squeeze lipstick there as well. And a lip balm. I know I'm very optimistic, but let's see if we can zip it up or not. I think we are getting there. No, we're not. No, we're not. But if we rearrange that, haha, yes, I knew we can do that. And now we can easily zip this up. That's what it looks like. Because of the structure of the bag is solid, you don't see the bag bulking down or changing the shape in any dimensions. I would say for this unusual size, it's a great capacity. We fit so much in there and we still manage to zip it up and we don't compromise the shape and the structure of the bag. And now it's time for mochos. I'm going to show you how ALAIA Teckel bag in the small size looks on me. I'm 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear size 10 UK. Unfortunately, the bag does not have any removable or adjustable strap, so we don't have an option to wear that crossbody. But we have those beautiful long shoulder strap, which allows us to wear the bag on the right or our left shoulder. Despite the fact that the shoulder straps are quite thin, they sit pretty comfortably on the shoulder. And I think the fact that the bag is actually quite light contributes to the comfort of the bag a lot. Then we also can wear that in your hands or in the crook of your arm. And one more way suggested by my husband, and he insisted that I put that in the video, that you can wear this bag as a clutch underneath your armpit, like a proper trendsetter. I'm not quite sure about this way, but he insisted, and I want to share with you that you also can wear that as a trendsetter, not a trend follower. At the end, I just want to say, guys, that I'm really enjoying this ALAIA Teckel bag in the small size and the beautiful red color. Yes, it's not the most practical bag you've ever met, but I really like this unusual, unique design. I like this combination of the long shoulder straps and the short body. I like this very vibrant red color. I don't have any red bags in my collection, and since I'm not buying the black bags anymore, red I think is a perfect choice, especially for coming summer. It has a decent capacity, especially taking into consideration how extravagant it is. And it's made of the durable goatskin leather, which will keep the shape of the bag, the structured bag, for a really long time, and it would be very resistant to any scratches, marks and the stains. And that's me for today, guys. Tell me, what do you think about this unusual bag? I've seen some of you were quite unsure about this bag when I'm unboxing. Please share that in the comments below. And don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe button, notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!